Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to be working on this closet door that's sticking real bad. Sticks mostly right up here at the top. We're going to show you how to take this door down, shave it down. The bottom's not dragging, but it's real close to the floor, so we're going to shave a little bit there as well. Now earlier we did a video where we tried adjusting the door, and if you got a door that is dragging a little bit but not much, you can try adjusting it without shaving anything off of it. The reason I don't like to cut a door is because once you cut it, if you cut it wrong, you can't put that wood back on there. It just makes a mess. So I always try to adjust the door before I go to trying to take it down and shave some of the wood off. But in this case, that's what we got to do. But if you're interested in adjusting the door, I'll put a link up here to the video where we tried adjusting this door. We did adjust it. There just wasn't room for the adjustment to do the job. But in some cases that will work and prevent a door from sticking and dragging. But anyway, we're going to take this one down. We're going to take it outside and we're going to shave it down a little bit. In most cases, doors will have 3 hinges. Some just have 2. In most cases, here again, I mean, there are differences, but in most cases, take a screwdriver and you just tap the hinge out like that. Once you take all the pins out, or rather you tap the pin out of the hinge, once you take all your pins out, your door is loose, you can just, take it down and carry it outside. And here's how you get the hinge pin out. Usually you can take a screwdriver, put it right there at the top of the pin, get you a hammer, and just tap it up. And then your pin comes out. And just as a side note, just for maintenance purposes, if you take your door down, before you put your pins back in, just put a really light coating of oil on them. Not much, just a real light coating. And that'll help you do a little bit of maintenance while you got your door down. But that's how you get your pin out of the door hinge. So here we are, we got our door outside. This is the top of our door. This is the side that drags. So what I'm gonna do with my planer, I'm gonna turn it on, I'm gonna cut a little ways, then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna go again and go a little bit further. And I'm gonna go about 5 times here. But each time I'm gonna go a little bit further, and in effect, that will get this edge cut more than this edge. So let's try that and see how it works. Now we're back in our bathroom. We finished planing our door down, and as you can see, it opens and closes now. It doesn't drag. the doorknob latches like it's supposed to. We also lubricated the pins at our hinges before we put them back in. You know, that's about the only maintenance you really need to do on a door. But we did that as well. And in planing this down, I know you saw the video, we used our DeWalt 20 volt planer, but there are hand planers that you can get. They're relatively inexpensive. You can plane a door with those. You can use a handsaw, although I would not recommend using a handsaw because it's very difficult to cut straight on something that large with a handsaw. You can use a jigsaw or a circular saw. If you use one of those options, I would strongly recommend that you clamp something to the door to make sure you cut straight. And I would also recommend that you cut off a little bit less than you think you need to cut off. And then try the door, see how it fits. You can always cut a little bit more off, but if you cut too much, you can't put it back on. So just be careful about how much you cut off, and just take your time and you know, make sure you cut straight in the right way and that sort of thing. So anyway, that's it for our shaving a door down to make it fit better. And if you find this video useful, please click like. And if you think it's appropriate, share it with your friends. And also, if you would, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us grow and provide more videos like this to help you save money and do things yourself. So thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.